Hello, my name is Priya Rai and I am doing my PhD in biotechnology from Delhi Technological University. This is my feedback video. I have completed a 10-day training from Lifesciences and it was on MD simulation, molecular docking and homology modeling. And it was really very nice, very helpful. I'm really thankful to our guide at this workshop, Sharvari ma'am. She is really patient and she helped us. I'm from a different stream and my knowledge was very limited regarding these topics. So first there was a theory session for each topic, and then we did hands-on training, and now it has become very familiar. So I think this is a great experience, and people who really want to learn something in this field and are not getting proper guidance can come here, and they can do particular training. BGT Life Sciences are always performing certain sessions on particular topics, and the information is available on their website, so one can go there and check and complete their training and become more informative. So I'm really thankful, and I wish I'll be doing more such trainings and acquiring more and more knowledge. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Husaina Nalwala. I'm a BSc Microbiology student in Shet P.T. Mahila College, Surat, Gujarat. I recently attended a 5-day workshop on CRISPR, which was conducted by BDG Life Sciences, and my trainer was Monica Moitra ma'am. She gave us a detailed basic knowledge on the CRISPR structure, and she showed us various web servers, how to use them and what parameters to choose and what results you can get while choosing different parameters. So it was really helpful, and she clarified my doubts really well, and it was a really fun workshop. Thank you BDG Life Sciences for conducting this workshop, and thank you Monica Moitra ma'am.
Hello, my name is Rolando Alberto Rodriguez Fonseca. I liked this artificial intelligence drug discovery course because we use different approaches to drug discovery and to resolve different issues related. This course complements my profile as bioinformatician, so I recommend it, and thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Yash Sharma and I am a PhD scholar in MIT University. Recently I have attended one workshop that was organized by a biodiscovery group of Lifesciences that was on actually immunoinformatics and various vaccine designing tools as well. So that was really very amazing, and I have enjoyed so much, and I was able to learn a lot that I have not learned in my post-graduation period. So I would suggest that everybody should join that and learn many more other techniques, so that the postgraduate students such as MSc, MTech, they can also learn other techniques as well that can help them in their designing and antigenicity, designing the protein molecules and analyzing their effects, and as well as many more other things. So I really say that I will really like to recommend this workshop. I hope that everybody should join and learn these kinds of techniques. Thank you so much.
Hello everybody, my name is Supranek and I am currently doing my MSc at BJP Autonomous College, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, and I am currently attend a workshop at BDG Life Science, and that is very very amazing, and it is very helpful to us in our future also. And thank you so much Monica ma'am to guide us like as a friendly. So I also request everyone to please attend a workshop at BDG Life Science, and it is very very edible, and it is very helpful to us in our future. So thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Meenakshi. I'm a biotechnology graduate from Karunya Institute of Technology Sciences, Coimbatore. So recently I have attended 5 days workshop on genome editing through CRISPR. by Biodiscovery Group. So my trainer was Monica Moitra. So I learned a lot about CRISPR. The workshop objective was clearly explained and achieved. The workshop was very relevant to my subject and to my research. So the presentation was very good and the slides were to the point. A very good mixture of both theoretical and as well as practical. So the trainer was very experienced and she can able to accomplish our queries. So the trainer was able to solve the difficult part of the subject into very simpler terms. So the session was very good and excellent. So I would like to thank the Biodiscovery Group who given me this wonderful opportunity to attend this workshop. And thank you.
Hi, this is Anasuya Chakrabarti. I am a third year student pursuing a BTech degree in biotechnology from SRM University, Chennai. I recently attended the in silico molecular biology workshop conducted by BDG Lifesciences. And I must say, I have learned a lot in these 5 days. And I'm really thankful to Monica ma'am for making our session so much fun and interesting. It was a 5 days workshop and wherein we were taught how to retrieve the nucleotide sequences and then predicting the ORF sequences from those nucleotides and then analyzing the protein sequences, retrieving the protein sequences, analyzing the protein sequences, analyzing the structures, and every minute detail related to the proteins, mutations, every small detail about where mutations can occur and how we can study about those mutations. We were taught about all of this in just like 5 days. So it was a lovely session and I enjoyed the entire of it. Looking forward to attending more workshops from BDJ Life Sciences. And yeah, it was great. Thank you.